camping!
Yeah.
Welcome to our first camping! Yay!
Like and subscribe.
Oh, we've got a love so good that most of the world couldn't dream of. I could give you a field of flowers in full bloom, but nothing compares to your sweet love. You and I, we've got more than we could ever dream of, right here, right here.
Bigla kaming naulanan na so far tumigil na yung ulan and nakapag-ayos-ayos naman na kami ng tent. Yung basang-basa nga lang kami, pero goods, it's a nice experience. Dami ng blessings ngayon and we're excited to rest for tonight. Bukas yan, check natin kung ano yung setup natin.
Nice. First time experience. Inulan kami. So, sana bukas goods yung weather.
Yes. Yun no, nangyari sa tent nila. Biglang ulan dito guys, pero tignan nyo naman, worth it. Worth it yung weather natin.
Pinalo kami ng fog, oh.
Sobrang ganda. Wala kang makita. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Yun no. Ano masabi mo, Nicole?
Nicole! Guys. Worth it yung basa. Ano experience mo, Sheena? Kamusta experience?
Ilang kuya!
Napakaangas!
Sa lamig!
So, anong niluluto mo for tonight?
Sinigang na baboy for tonight's dinner.
Yan. Para mainit-init.
Yeah.
Para mamaya.
Musta ang experience?
Masaya. Kakaibang experience sa umuulan.
Malamig ba? Malamig.
Yeah, malamig.
Hey guys, what's up? Are you okay? Say hi, say hi.
I see.
Good morning,
Good
vlog.
morning!
They were made for a time like this, counting each breath so we wouldn't miss it. Don't
It's a
close,
rainy morning, everyone.
don't close your eyes.
Baba.
Undecided in all our trouble, say goodbye when you know I'd follow. Don't close your eyes. All said and done, get your breath somehow. No, we're not the only ones watching.
Doon, sa Toyota.
Don't close
Hindi. Pumunta kami ng
Don't
kasi
close your eyes. Under something new, we'll say impossible isn't far away. So don't close your eyes. Don't want you passing by. Stay with me, here with me. And time is on our side. Stay with me, here with me. Stay with me, here with me. I stumbled around my words that day. Anybody out there listening? Won't close my eyes. Gotta feel it all slip away. Talk through the night, won't you find my way through? And don't close.
So this is our first sip ng prenup namin. So, fun lang, simple lang. Basics lang. Okay, see you later.
Stay with me, here with me. And time is on our side. Stay with me, here with me. Stay with me, here with me.
Ate din. No, kaano ang di mo natin proud na.
Kabalin.
Dito pala yung cellphone ni Papa.
Yun yung tumatalsik.
Pag ano pa babasa.
Basa.
Okay? It will spark.
Shane, come on. I said come on. Come on, Shane.
Yeah.
Dito ko
It
na.
will spark on my face and then... Right?
Don't go in there.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot ang pangatay.
Para hindi tayo mapasok.
What ano you want? More Oreo?
Good.
Napuano kita. No, napano kita. Bonnet.
Why?
Okay, so that you will not...
Hanap na lang ako ng stick.
All goods naman, kahit pa paano.
Wala ka namang boses.
Matapos naman natin, nagdi umuulan.
Oo nga eh. Buti na lang, pinagbigyan ng good weather. Kaso hindi tayo binigyan ng fog.
Yeah, sa akin, walang fog kanina.
Oo nga. So, umulan naman ng gabi. So, all goods. Lahat naman ng set nasunod. So, hopefully may mga good shots. Hopefully.
Yes.
Si Nicole.
Kumusta yung mga good shots mo, Nicole?
Nicole. Ewan ko kay Papa Tebs. Nakadepende kay Papa Tebs.
20 degrees dito. Pero parang hindi 20 degrees, parang 19. Sobrang lamig. Every month may ganitong mga activity kasi napakaganda pala talaga mag-camp. This is our first time na mag-camp. Hindi na maiwasan na may ulan. Part of the experience naman. So, goods. Wala tayong boses. Umaga dito. Bali, ito na yung last day namin. So, ganda ng experience dito. Definitely, babalik kami. Biglaan lang kasi itong pagpunta namin ngayon. Pero, susunod, siguro mas marami na kami, mas masaya. Enjoy muna natin yung coffee. Kasi sobrang lamig dito. Kasi mainit na kape. Sobrang solid talaga. So ito ngayon yung master chef natin. Kamusta ang experience natin dito?
Masaya.
Oo.
2 nights ba?
2 nights.
2 nights and
3 days.
3 days.
Oh, share mo naman kung paano mo nasabing ako na. Next! Practice.
Alam mo na ngayon yung feeling
Alam ko na ngayon yung feeling.
ng isang bride.
Yeah.
Since marami ka ng bride na nakasama, nakita mo yung struggles nila while doing some poses sa camera. Ano yung mga mabibigay mong tips sa kanila?
Fun. Dapat wag conscious masyado. Dapat trust your photographer. Then, yun lang, i-enjoy mo lang. Then, be yourself lang. Kasi mas natural mas maganda.
Pag sobrang conscious ka kasi, parang
Huwag
ano?
masyadong conscious.
Oo. Welcome to our podcast, guys.
Podcast!
So, yun nga. Saludo kami sa mga couples namin. Napakagaling nyo, guys. Alam kong mahirap yung mga ginagawa nyo. Experience din namin. Pero,
May effort lang din talaga. Wag
Yung bang no rush, like hindi mo kailangan magmadali kasi may kailangan kang habulin. Maglaan talaga ng time para din.
tas kailangan mo talagang i-feel din talaga yung
Moment.
moment. Oh. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Definitely, sa mga hindi nakasama sa amin na gustong sumama, sama kayo next time. May mga plans naman tayo bukas.
Bukas.
Bukas ulit.
mamaya siya.
Sarap ba magluto dito?
Oo, malamig. Tsaka fresh air. Overall experience talaga dito, masaya. Kasi parang nare-reset yung utak mo. Kasi wala kang naririnig na iba. Kundi, kwan lang.
Music lang ni ate sa baba.
Bigla na sa baba. Hindi. Yung hangin lang. Tapos yung mga Insect, ganyan. Mga creatures.
Oo, ang dami no. Insect, lalo pag gabi. Ang daming mga different sounds. Babalik ka ba dito? Will you
Recommend.
recommend this place? Saka babalik ba?
Oo, syempre. Kasi in the first place, may privacy ka talaga dito. Yun yung
Kasi etong buong place, kayo lang talaga yung naka-check-in. So, etong tent namin guys is Nature Hike Village 6 version 2. Madali talaga siyang i-setup. Although baguhan pa lang talaga kami, once ko pa lang siya trinay na i-open, bali second time pa lang to. Pero mabilis lang talaga siyang i-setup. Hindi lang namin nakunan kahapon kasi, last time kasi biglang umulan. So, in 3 minutes time siguro pagkabisado mo na kaya mo nang i-set up to. So, bale, 3 kami natulog. Kasama namin yung baby namin. Comfortable naman, meron pang space sa mga gamit, ganyan. So, maganda talaga siya pang family. Pwede mo siguro i-stretch until 4 people para comfortable lang. Naranasan namin dito yung medyo may hangin, medyo malakas yung ulan. May mga parang tubig-tubig lang talaga na nagsisipin dun sa baba, pero hindi naman siya pumapasok sa loob.
Oh, no.
So, normal lang yun. Pero so far, sa mga ulan-ulan ganyan, cozy ka naman sa loob, dry ka pa rin, nakakatulog ka pa rin kahit medyo may hangin or malakas yung tubig. Yun nga lang, dito sa harapan niya, kailangan mo lang talagang i-tie down or mas mababa kasi nag-iipon talaga ng tubig. So, pwedeng masira. So, okay siya. Do you like camping, Mati?
Hey, 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 hey.
Do you like camping, Zane?
Yes,
Did you enjoy camping here?
yes,
You want to come back again?
yes.
Okay.
Oh my God! Stop like that! Stop right there, bad guys! Bad guys!
Yung pabalik yung more on mga akyat at baba na. Mga binabaan. Oo. Yun yung akyat. Akyat naman tayo ngayon.
Where are you going, guys?
We're going to climb a tree.
Plant a tree.
Plant a tree.
Yes.
Okay, para pagbalik natin, may babalikan tayo na...
Tinanim.
Hello guys, may tree planting pala
Take 3.
pala, yan.
Go.
Hello guys, may tree planting pa pala kami dito sa... before kami mag-exit. Kaya, let's go.
Para.
Para makatulong din sa kalikasan.
And next year,
At
next
saka-
na pagbalik namin.
Oo. Pagbalik namin next camping, meron kaming makikita na plant trees.
Alright. Where are you going? Where are you going? Mati, where are you going? You're going to?
Kami ni Mati pa.
We're going
Oh,
to
Mati.
plant?
I don't know how to go down that tree.
Yes. Smile at the picture. Picture lang.
Smile, Mati.
Dito.
Oh, look here. Look at Tito.
Smile.
1, 2, 3, one more. What do you like more, hot or cold weather?
I want cold.
Yes.
I want hot and cold.
What?
I want hot and cold.
You want hot and cold?
Gagay! Gagay!
Oh, what are you doing here?
Mommy!
Yo, mommy. Say hi and...
Daddy and mommy!
What? Okay, here, look here. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey! Hi guys. Well, hi guys. To the vlog.
What?
Hi.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Hi guys. Welcome to vlog.
Someday we will